What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to try to show you all how to replace the dome light bulb. Let me zoom out a little bit more if I can. I guess not, but anyway, it's right there. This one, as you can see, works, but it's halogen, and I have an LED one here. So first thing what you want to do is take something like a knife or a small flathead screwdriver, and there's like a little notch in the middle right here. Let me see if I can get that to focus a little bit. Right there. And you just take it and you put it in there and you push down like this, and then that'll go flying. That's alright. And then you can take the same thing and then just kind of pop it out of there. I don't know if you can see or not. There it goes. And it'll go flying also. I'll have to find that in a minute. Alright, now I'm going to get this unboxed and then I'll show you the rest of the process. So the part number on the bulb is that right there. And this also fits the other two on the bottom. And to reinstall it, it's really easy. All you gotta do is take one end of it and push it in there, and then just take the other end and push it in there also. And then there it is. And then you can take your cover and just pop back into place like that. And there you go. It works perfect. So I want to thank you for watching. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below like repairs you'd like to see me do. Driveway repairs, like nothing that requires a lift. I got jack and jack stands, but yeah. Just thanks for watching, and there's that part number again. I'll see you in the next one.